What do you say? How do you say I say it?
Water. Water?
Yeah.
Every time I want water, but give me some water.
And what do I say?
Water. Water.
You hear him?
Yeah. Never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, and welcome back to Vlogmas. We are in Errands Bay. Yeah, it's a bleaky day. It's been bleaky for the last few days, raining on and off, as you can see. A bleaky day. It's an early morning, 8 o'clock. We have errands to run. Yeah, we have to move. Yeah, we have errands to run this morning. We have to go to the tax office, we have to go to the bank. The two places that I hate going to the most because of queues.
Yeah, we can't do that.
I try to avoid it where we can, but today we have no choice. We have to go. So we're on our way to Errands Bay tax office, and then to the bank after that. So we're just running errands today, guys. Yeah, just a running errands kind of day.
Yeah.
So it's Vlogmas. We're taking you with us, right? Alright, we're just turning into the road for the tax office, hoping we got here early enough. Alright, let's see, is it here?
Yeah, right there.
Well, I don't see no, well, I won't talk too soon.
Enough people are really there, man, but we can't keep
serious. Yeah, not bad
Not
at all.
The days when we have to come, man.
Yeah.
That one here now.
Yeah, we have to come midweek when it's not so packed.
Yeah.
So yes guys, as you would have seen, the queue in the tax office is good. Usually when we come, oh my gosh, long queue, but it's not too bad. It's midweek, so I think that's why. Outlaw's going to go and deal with what we have to deal with. I'm not going in there. We have to wait another half an hour or so for the tax office to open, and then yeah, he can deal with that. We have to sort out the what do you call it? This thing on the car, the what do you call it? I don't know. This little thing. Let me show you. That thing on the car there needs updating, so he's gone to get that. Yeah. A miracle. You finished?
Yeah.
This is a miracle. Guys, look. It's what time is it? 8:44. 8:44. The tax office opens at 8:30. 15 minutes. Even though we came a little early to line up, but you got through in less than 15 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a world record right there.
Each one of something. I'm not gonna go stand in line with nobody and then something there. You know what I'm gonna go see? I'm the first guy to cashier. I'm the first person to the cashier.
Okay. All right. Okay. Enough said.
Yeah.
Enough said.
Yeah.
Alright, so you're going to sort out this little thing now.
That's everything go.
What's this called? I was trying to explain to people. Is it license?
What? This? The tax office.
No, this that you went to get.
Oh. Registration, yeah.
Registration.
Yeah.
So I can't remember what we call it in this. It's been a long time. We call it in the UK. We don't have this sticker on the car in the UK anymore. But tax your car, yeah.
So that's a 2021.
Yeah.
So this is 2022.
So let me see. 2022. Alright.
Yeah.
So you're good for another year now.
One more year.
That
government's not good for.
Yeah.
Go over that and kill me.
So in England anyway, we don't have to have this thing on the car anymore. You have to tax your car, but you can do it online, and everything's tracked online, so you don't need to display that again. Okay, so we're good.
Right.
Alright, so where next?
Going to the bank.
Hopefully the bank is a full lever.
Yeah, well, you know things set up.
Yeah.
People not money, so you know, go see them go.
Well, that's good. This is a quick move. I like it.
Man.
Yes, people were on the way back into Ochi. And can you see in front, there's a big ship docked. And there's another one coming in. We just passed another one coming in. So there's two ships in Ochi today. So there'll be no Starbucks for me.
No coffee.
No coffee free, but yeah, there's 2 ships in today. You see it there?
Yeah, man. That's why we have this early traffic, you know?
Yeah.
Anytime
Both the ships
you have
are
a
in.
1 ship or a 2 ship. If when 2 ship coming, you have more
Much
traffic.
Let me see if I can get the next one. Just about, can you see it?
Yeah. MSG or MST. Like that.
MSG, isn't that like a type of
Yeah, that's seasoning.
seasoning?
Did
Did you see it? MSG, yeah. See it there, yeah. Just about see it there.
Yeah.
Big ship. Yeah. Big. It's massive. My gosh.
This is the biggest one can come out with you.
Okay.
Bigger than that can come here.
It has to go to Falmouth, doesn't
Falmouth. I think more big can go.
No, Falmouth holds the biggest, can accommodate the biggest cruise ships. And then you see all of the tour buses, all of the buses like that. All of the buses, all of the tour buses waiting to pick people up to bring them to the different excursions, different tours. Dance River, Mystic Mountain, Blue Hole.
The purpose is small bus out here, and the reason why small bus out here is because the 2 boats are coming.
Yeah.
And not everybody are going food.
Yeah, and there's always police out here there to monitor everything that's going on.
Normally the people don't come out and sun bright or so. And then pick what they want to pick and go to them want to go. That can't again. You have to go into stuff for them.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Norwegian.
Nobody can walk out and come out. You understand?
Yeah.
That's the right answer now. Yeah, Norwegian that.
Yeah. So yes guys, we've just come near the bank. And there's a bit of a queue, to be honest. And because we need to go to customer service, it's an all-day thing. And you see the queue, so it's JN, the queue's there. Bit of a queue. And they're probably all waiting for customer service.
When they're going, some people in there this. When certain people come out, they let you more.
Yeah, but most people are waiting for customer service, I think, because
Same
now you just do the banking yourself in the on machines in JN. So I think I don't know. So we abandoned the bank, guys. We're not going to line up in that queue. No. Maybe.
People are going to rally back on what we say something yesterday.
Huh?
They might just think back on what we say yesterday on something.
What?
No patience.
Gosh. Oh, you hear that? He said I've got no patience because, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to make a quick stop here. Space right outside. This little place here I come every so often. Faces and fingers. They do nails in there, eyebrows, all different kind of treatments. I'm going to go and quickly get my eyebrows done. Hopefully they've got available space. Faces and fingers. So that's me. Yeah. So I'm going faces and fingers. Right here. Faces and fingers. Mr. Outlaw there. See what he drinks in the morning? A hot beer. You see what he drinks in the morning? A hot beer. What do you drink in the morning?
You good?
Yeah?
It was quick.
Yeah. So, yeah, very quick. Got through quick. So what have you got this morning? We haven't even drank tea yet.
So that's why you know what
You see what he's drinking?
Typical Jamaican. You come out so early when I drink no tea. It's a hot beer and bust the whole thing.
Bust a gas.
I will tell you. A blank time, it's alright, me boo. I do me that. Hot beer in the morning.
Hot beer in the morning. I need to go. I need to get my tea.
No
I
problem.
haven't had anything yet, but yeah.
Yeah.
So we're good.
Every people say the bird them a feed there. And look a bird there. Every day them come right. Every man them come right so them time I come feed. See them there? Them look a squid there. Yeah. Every man them come feed right in front of the house. Every morning. Them nice. See them there? Nice little bird them. See them? See them there? Every morning come feed right that's beside the car. See them peeps? Oh. See them up in the coconut tree there now. See them there? Coconut tree. I don't know how to frighten them, you know. But they come right in front of me in the coconut tree. Two right there, so. Right, you see them there? So close them come to me. Yeah. See them there? Yeah, nature going. This is two of them living peeps. Right in front of me, them there. They call them squid. Yeah, so, but them little small one, they call them budget, but the money are squid. Well, we call them squid. You know, them have other names to them, but Jamaicans, we say squid. Yeah, right, that's how them feed. I eat some wild color. Yeah, my pigs, where them I eat there? Them wild color looking something here. Them things them I eat. Yeah, so them all about the place. Yeah, them eat them stuff there. See them there? Them look something there, bud something there, yeah, so that them eat. Wild color. See there? So, bad.
So yes, we are on our way to Oracabessa right now. Oracabessa, as the taximan say, Oracabessa.
The right name is
Oracabessa.
So yeah, we are Jamaica, so we do everything good.
Yeah, Oracabessa is not far from us. So sometimes we don't want to go Ochi side all the time to get stuff. So sometimes we just come to Oracabessa side. So we're just passing these beaches. Yeah, that's like a sandals.
Yeah.
A
little branch
of sandals. It's guys, you see, it's so bleaky today, like I said. But yes, we're going to Oracabessa side just to pick up some ground provisions and some food and stuff like that.
We'll try that food around the side.
Yeah.
Well, you got dark thing people, you know, every time blinky peeps.
Yeah. So we're in like Boscobel now, right?
Yeah man, Boscobel.
Boscobel. We are in Boscobel. St. Mary, as you would say.
I will tell you. Yeah, I like your thing that you go around to everything. Oh, we can't go around for nothing where you see up so.
Yeah.
Me try to go around to your language and I can't go around to it. The cockney something there.
The cockney?
Yeah, a cup of tea.
You say you're trying to go onto the cockney thing?
Yeah, I try to go around and I'm not ready to
trying to do the cockney accent. The London's line.
Yeah, but like hear it now, but I try to do something, but you throw me off.
Yes.
You might think that's dung in the potholes.
So people, you hear him say he's trying to grab onto this cockney slang London accent thing. So what are some of the things you can say?
No,
he mocks me all the time. At home, he mocks me all the time the way I speak. So what are some of the things that you hear me say?
Every time, alright, she just come around the camera too long and she just turn on the AC. So I say, why you turn on the AC? I'm hot.
Hot. Yeah, hot, yeah, okay, yeah, you got that one. What else you know?
That's something that I said, no, you left something, you know. What about the tea? She said, the tea don't make no sense. So I said, no.
What else do you know?
No, a cup of tea.
I don't say that, a cup of tea, and nobody says it like that.
What?
What else?
It's an English thing.
What else you know?
Because I want a cup of tea. Saying cousin that a slang.
You think that's cockney slang?
Whatever, no.
What else you say?
I don't know something them go give you love. I try to say enough time and I'm try to say after you say.
What about water? You always do that one. Water, what do you say?
So what's what you say? You say my way now.
What do you say? How do you say I say it?
Water? Water?
Yeah.
Every time I want water, but if you give me some water.
No, what do I say?
Water.
You hear him?
Yeah, water.
Say it again. Say it again.
Can't manage the rest.
Water. Alright, we reach.
Yeah.
Oracabessa.
Oracabessa over there.
This is like the main little square, right?
Yeah.
Town centre kind of.
Two for a yellow on the brother. Good old food on the place. I got cook some food and eat, you know. Rain and fall and all these things. Water the road, place wet. So I really need food. I've crazy lettuce there and carrot and cabbage. That's going good. Whole bag of string beans. You think sugar away, you know what I mean? One pound at the cover, come nice pound with that. That's like a more than pound, you know. That's right there, more than pound, you know. That will like a sword across there. Do what you have to do? You know what you have to do? No, let me see the potato there, brother. your hand now. You know how long when I see that kind of potato, the brother. Yeah. It's a long time to see that potato, that type of potato there. How do you say today? Real thing. Man, some people put a pumpkin in the pot. I'm not going to pumpkin put in the pot there, like you know my flavor today. Pumpkin pretty. Yeah. Like I'm curry. No, nothing wrong with that, man. We're good. And as I'm proud.
Outlaws back. Let's see, pick up potato.
A pound of sweet potato. Pretty afraid a long time to see the potato. What? 1 pound of potato.
How much fun? Look,
2
about
pound of yam.
2 pound of yam.
Yeah, 1 pound of potato for 150. 150 Jamaican dollar. Not bad.
For all of that for sweet potato?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much is the yam?
2 pound of yam, that's enough. $300.
Okay.
2 pound of yam.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah.
Good. And the
pumpkin. You know, cup is a pumpkin, give me.
Yeah.
You come to $600.
Okay. $600 for all of that. That's
a
good.
pumpkin in the pot. I put nothing in the pot, but I yam and potato and pumpkin. That's what I'm saying. So that's for cook today. So I work off for him. I don't know why I'm sick, but
okay.
I work off for him today.
Okay. $600 not good. Not bad, I mean. That's good.
It work, man.
Yeah.
It work, man.
All of that.
Yeah, man. You pay money on this and watch it. Now I tell you that.
Yeah.
You go pay $200 a pound for them and watch it, maybe $250. Now Christmas, yeah. What I said, I don't know my price.
Yeah, of course.
Now I tell you.
Time, yeah.
You don't know that's something to these, man. All right, my people. Give thanks to life.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.